my J babies, how are you? This is your girl Jay and welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, so today's video is definitely going to be on the Janet's collection, and it is the Janet collection extended part lace, extremely deep part lace wig. Her name is Viva, and I got it in a number 1. I told y'all I am into the number 1s, okay? I am in it, so sorry for all these number 1s, honey, but I'm getting what I want, okay? I'm not getting something that, there's a whole bunch of colors and I ain't gonna wear it, okay? So this is what I'm wearing today. So Janet Collection also sends you a comb with your purchase, okay? So she always send you combs, so I'm just so grateful, okay? So this wig right here, this blonde is beautiful on her. Very, very beautiful. So this is the extended part, and it says Swiss lace, extremely deep part lace wig, and the curling iron safe is up to 360 degrees. Now, I want you guys to know in the video, I did kind of like scorch it a little bit with my with my curling iron, with my straightening comb, and I didn't actually, because on here you cannot see, it's only an on and off button. There is no temperature, so be careful, because I did kind of like scorch her, but I know how to bring her back, so that's fine. Okay, so with this wig, I am going to be showing you what I did to get this wig, because I did not put this wig down at all. No lace glue is on here, and she feels really good on me. No lace glue at all. I just wanted to just put her on, and she feels so comfortable. Her curls is really bouncy. The parting space, I will show you. She have a comb here, one in the back. You will see it with adjustable straps. Your parting space is actually right here, but I plucked it out some, so you will see that in the video. And I also just added some great big old baby hairs, because I'm into baby hairs again, because I think that it gives me like a cuter style than just having it flat with nothing. I love everything about it. What I use in the video, in case you want to know, would be the She Is Bomb, and this is the hair wax stick. I've had this for a long time. And I also use the Tresemmane Tress 2 spray freeze hold. And also in the video I used my Eco Styling Gel, the yellow one. So that's all I use. I didn't use any concealer in my parting, which I probably can do that. I mean, she looks so natural though. But if you would like to use some in there, then you definitely can. So I'm gonna just go ahead on and put some in here to see how it looks with you guys. If you was to just add it in here, you can. Wish that I like this better than that. Okay, so that I just added, because some people say, well, can you add it just so we can see, so you can see it? But I think if the lace is brown, why? People say so you can't see the knots, but honey, everybody knows it's a wig, and if you're up that close and personal, then you got a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead with the freeze spray and spray it just to get it in there. Okay, so that's not bad, but I did like it the way it was. But the curls are beautiful, so I'm just gonna go ahead on. I'm not gonna come back, guys. Then again, I am gonna come back in the ending. So I'm gonna go ahead on and roll the next clip. The next clip will be me showing you the wig and styling the wig, plucking the wig, because it does look wiggy in the front up in here. So if but it's not enough lace to be able to pluck. So let's go ahead on and get into the video. Roll the baby, so we have reached the end of the video, and I am so glad that you decided to watch my video today. Thank you so much. With this wig, while I was styling it, I can see that that actually where the baby hairs is right here, there is, if you can see, the lace stopped right there. So we have the indentation right there, and also on this side. So you can't pluck a lot of this. You cannot pluck a lot, but I did want it to look a little bit more scalp up here than it really was, if you could see in the video as I was plucking it. Also, I do not have the wig. You didn't see me put the wig down with anything. I didn't put it down. It is actually not down. The only thing that's holding this wig is actually the Eco Styling Gel right here. That's in the front. I can take it up if I want to, but why? So that's all I have. Far as the shedding, I have not really gotten any shedding, just minimal. I would say minimal, not a lot. And I think that's because I did pluck out some hair, so I'm thinking that that's what it is. But this hair is like really soft and manageable, big fluffy curls. I really love it. Viva is really cute, y'all. She is really cute. And I will actually post some things there on the gram, some pictures on the gram, that way you can see her. Yeah, so everything will be down in the description bar. That way you can get your hands on her if you would like to get your hands on her, as well as go to the Janet Collection website also to be able to check and see what other products they do have there, because they do have a lot of nice. Y'all see I've been rocking these wigs lately. I've been putting them out for you that way, and they're so affordable. Okay, so I'm thinking, because with the Janet Collection, you probably have to go to like Wigs Type or something like. I will place that down below so you can be able to get your hands on this wig, because many of you said that you went on site on Janet Collection and you was not able to purchase from there. So I'm going to put down below Wigs Type, that way that you could, or whatever link I have, that way you could be able to get your hands on these wigs that I am doing. So this is what she looks like. I'm rocking my cross necklace today, y'all. My blinged out cross necklace and my boss earrings, because girl, I am a boss, okay? I'm a boss. So I'm going to get out of here. You know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.